Hello everyone and happy Monday. Welcome to week number 2 of our psychology class. It's a bit chilly for June 1st. However, happy June and welcome to the summer. You'll notice that for week 2, we're going to be reading about biopsychology in the brain, as well as consciousness, sleep, and substance abuse. So I know that many people feel that psychology is very heavily reliant on the study of personality disorders, and things of that nature. However, you're going to find that in this class, we are covering a variety of topics that delve deeper into various parts of psychology that you might not have understood were related to psychology. And you're going to see that this week, we're talking mostly about the brain and various things that go on in the brain, in our conscious mind, as well as our unconscious mind. So keep that in mind as you do your readings this week. The other thing that I'll want you to notice is that we have only 2 assignments due June 4th and then assignment 4 due June 6th. So there is no discussion board this week. So that was one of your quiz questions, and if you got that right, you obviously read the syllabus very carefully, because yes, if you look in the back on the calendar, you'll see exactly what is due each week, so you know kind of what to do in terms of looking ahead. So a few of you have asked me why it only goes up to week 3, and the reason that I only open 3 weeks in the beginning is to allow everyone to get acclimated to the class and to make sure that people are not feeling overwhelmed. So with that being said, over the course of this week, I will be opening up a module that has to do with your podcast project and those directions. I will also open a module for your final project, which is a PowerPoint and a topic of your choosing for that PowerPoint, and I'll explain that in the directions. And then I'll also open up a few more weeks. So by the end of next weekend, you should see a lot more open. I did want to let you know that I have graded everyone's syllabus quiz, and everybody did a good job on that. One thing I would like you to go in and look at in that syllabus quiz, which is also your assignment number 1, is if you got something wrong. I did write what the correct answer was, so please be sure to take a look at what maybe you got incorrect, and I left a comment for you in the questions section. I've also left comments for some of you at the end of the quiz, so if you had any questions, please feel free to email me. I want to make sure that you're going into your grades in the grade area and you're able to see the comments that I've left. It's a good way for us to individually communicate with one another about any specific issues or questions or some comments that I'm giving you about your work or my expectations, so that you feel like I'm giving you feedback and you understand what I'm asking for. So the last thing that I'll mention briefly is that tomorrow I do have to go in for surgery, and I will be in the hospital for 1 night, and if all goes well, I'll be back on Wednesday. I am hoping to be able to bring my iPad and phone with me so that when I'm there overnight, I'll at least be able to answer your emails. So please keep emailing me, but if you haven't heard back from me right away, that's why. I usually try to get back to emails pretty quickly. I know the turnaround time is 24 hours and usually 48 on the weekend, but since this is a condensed class, and honestly, since there's a pandemic about, I don't have a ton else to do, so I'm on the computer a lot, and when I'm not outside gardening and doing outside work, I like to be catching up with you guys in class. Again, please feel free to email me if you have any questions at all, and always be sure to watch the videos that I post. They usually are pretty helpful. If not, I'm always welcome to comments letting me know otherwise. I hope that you all are staying safe and well, and I remain available for you. I look forward to working with you more this semester, and I look forward to reading your assignment number 2 and your discussion board posts this week.